Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 35. Sanjay said, having heard that speech of Keshav, Krishna, the crowned one, Arjuna, with joined palms, trembling and prostrating himself, again addressed Krishna in a choked voice, bowing down, overwhelmed with fear.
Chapter 11, Shloka 35. Sanchaya uvacha etashritva vachanam keshavasya kritanchalirvepamana kiriti namaskritva bhuya evaha krishnam sagadgatam bhita pranamya.
Chapter 11, Shloka 35. It is natural that when a burning desire in an individual is fulfilled, he suddenly bursts into an irresistible glorification of his kindly patron. Sanjay reports to Dhritarashtra as follows. Having heard Lord's words, listing the names of the warriors, the mighty men, the top-ranking men of the Kaurava forces who have been killed, Arjuna is trembling with fear and bowing down to Krishna with folded palms. Sanjay wants to bring to the blind old man's awareness the magnitude of the impending disaster. As noted earlier, the only one who could call the war off, even at this time, is Dhritarashtra himself. And Sanjay is anxious to see that the war is not fought, as he is sympathetic with the righteous cause of the Pandavas. Sanjay calls Arjuna as the crowned one, so that Dhritarashtra can see the folly of the disastrous war. But a blind man can never see things, much less if he is intellectually blind with delusion. Even words of Sanjay didn't have any effect upon Dhritarashtra, who is blind to everything except his mad affection for his own children. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.